How to remove an object from images in Meta AI app. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and once you open it, you can see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that three line button, and once you tap on it, you can see there is chat option at the second. So let's select the chat, and finally once you tap on it, you can see there is prompt option in here. So you need to simply enter a prompt. You can simply enter remove a specific object, whatever object you want to remove, and simply upload a photo in here. So to upload a photo, simply tap on plus icons on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you can see there is two options. First one is camera and another one is gallery, so you can choose any of them. So basically, yeah, after everything, you will be able to remove your object from images successfully from Meta AI. So basically, this is how, and this is the process to remove object from images in Meta AI. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.